Okay, so here we go with lesson 7, and it's first code practice. Hopefully you did well on the quiz. Hopefully you get 3 opportunities at it. So on this one, we're changing up just from strictly uh, data input. In this case, with the other ones, we used words. Now we're going to start using numbers. And to do that, we have to tell the computer, hey, we want someone to input an integer, a whole number, counting number, positive or negatives, or, and when we print it, we have to talk about a string and when to use the string. We have to be able to look at the words that are occurring, and we have to understand sometimes, hey, we need to use the phrase float. And so with this first code practice, not lesson practice, the code practice, we have some simple things to look at. Okay, so on this, they want an input statement of enter a number, and they're going to print then whatever that variable is times 9. Okay, whatever the input is. Now, they give you to begin with, line 1 is the input, enter a number, and then it's already there for you, so you don't have to do anything. Notice on line 2, though, it's print num times 9. So that's num is our variable. So the first thing we need to look at then is we need to come here and we need to go num, because that's the variable it says to use. If you want to change it, that's fine. I don't know what Project STEM's compiler will do and how it will look at it grade-wise, but we have num, that's our variable, equals. Now, here's our thing. We want a whole number, positive or negative, so we have integer, okay, int. We have int, integer, saying we want a number. Then our input, we write the phrase, enter a number, it's already on there. Notice the colon in the space. And we have 2 sets of parentheses here. So make sure these 2 go together, these 2 go together. So make sure those are there for you. On the original problem, as it's given to you at the beginning, it doesn't do that. Now we're going to multiply it times 9. So we're going to take num times 9. And there's our multiplication dot, and they've already got that on there. And we're just simply going to print num times 9. Okay, the main thing that was changed there was that first part, we had to do the variable equals. We had to do the variable equals, and then the int for integer, saying we definitely want a number here. Then input, again, our sets of parentheses, and then we just leave that last line alone. Now, if this is not, these 2 have to match. If you put an X there, then this needs to be an X here. If that's a B there, then that has to be a B there, however you did it. So make sure you're paying attention to that. Any questions? Fantastic. I hope you have a great rest of the day.